Baba, welcome back, sir. Welcome back.
Welcome. We have been waiting.
Give me your hand. As you leave here, the first person you touch carries the calamity. Then your mother is suffering. That settles the case.
Okay, Baba.
Okay, Baba.
Okay,
Go
Baba.
and make sure it settles.
Okay, Baba. Thank you.
Thank you, Baba. You remember we are not wash our clothes. Oh.
Eh?
We have not wash our clothes.
The
now.
first person you shall touch, Sharoma.
Which problem is this?